Verdict: guilty on all counts. The family of Dustin Friedland watched in court in Essex County Friday morning as jurors read off count after count after count against Basim Henry, who was convicted on all the charges against him, including carjacking and felony murder.
How do you find as to count one of the indictment, charging the defendant with conspiracy to commit carjacking? Not guilty or guilty?
Guilty.
Now, Henry was one of 4 men who carjacked Dustin Friedland and shot him to death as his wife watched at the Short Hills Mall in December 2013. I asked prosecutors about Henry's role in the crime. Even though he did not pull the trigger, they called him responsible for the acts that followed.
He was the catalyst, he drove the car, he got the car there, so we were going through it systematically with the evidence.
Henry's sentencing is May 5th. Before that, they're going to schedule a trial for one of the remaining 3 men who still need to be convicted, including the trigger man. I asked prosecutors if Henry's conviction might convince these men to take a plea deal.
I certainly would say that this is definitely a step towards resolution, and whatever means we can use to expedite the resolution of the 3 other defendants, we will.
The jury deliberated for 4 days before reaching this verdict, seeming to waffle between whether or not Henry, as the getaway driver, was as responsible as the person who pulled the trigger. We'll soon find out what another jury says about the other 3 if they do go to trial. For updates on this case, follow me at Chasing Zayan and the show at Chasing News.